Israeli agriculture technology has long been shipped out to developing nations, teaching millions how to farm and cultivate areas that are often otherwise barren. Now, growing is one thing, but then what do all the local farmers do if they can't find a buyer? Well, Israeli company Farmster may have just solved that problem as well. And joining me now in the studio with more is Farmster's founder and CEO, Dr. Abramson. Thank you very much for coming in.
Thanks for having me.
All right, so tell me about Farmster and how it works and what it does.
Okay, so agriculture in emerging markets like Africa and Asia is very different. You have about 60% of the population is a farmer.
That's a lot.
Yeah, it's like 1 or 2%
high, yeah.
here. Most people are farming, and most of them are farming on small farms. And on top of that, they don't have smartphones like we do. They have simple phones, the ones that we used to have when mobile phones first came out. So the question is, how do they actually reach a buyer? How do they know who's going to buy their
they get connected with somebody if they're not, online, you could say.
Right. They could just push a button, maybe get online and post what they're going to harvest, and somebody could find it. But they don't have LinkedIn, they don't have Facebook.
Sure. So what have you provided? You provided, like a dumb phone, you could call it, a dumb phone app?
Exactly. It's a dumb phone. It's an SMS chatbot. So it actually works on SMS. They can text in what they're going to harvest. Wow. And then the buyers, who most of them have the internet, can actually download the app and then see what's available. And it's much more efficient that way. On average, the small farmer will lose 40% of his harvest before he reaches a buyer because lack of information. It rots. Wow. He doesn't find a buyer. He dumps it on the farm.
All right. Well, so is this available everywhere, or?
So we're live in Tanzania. Cool. You can download the app from anywhere. You can see produce from Tanzania on the app. And so we're just launching there. We're focusing now on one location and looking to grow. So. Well,
it's an incredible idea, and from what I've learned and from talking to you earlier, it sounds like it's really becoming a success. And I wish you more successes in the future. Thank you so much for coming in from Farmster. Thank you.
Thanks.